I'm going to start doing vlogs, video logs of life in Japan using this. I did it today for the first time and it turned into a disaster because of the mic. Every time I touch this, the microphonics of the entire rig is incredible. I'm going to get a microphone, so if you leave a comment saying that's crazy, that sucked, I'm telling you before you said it's crazy and sucked that it's crazy and sucks. However, the content is so rich and so special that I expect that Zeos is going to quit his own channel and become my patron so that he can get the stuff that I have access to. That's basically what today's vlog is about. How I broke Zeos. Minus the fucked up audio. Okay, this is the Tenhz T5. It's 5 balanced armatures. Open it up. We have sparkly, Japanese say kira kira set. Our replacement earbud tips. Go pull that out. Pull this out. Okay, can barely like smoke plastic. Like smoke plastic. It is smoke plastic. They look nice. Put that down there. It's got a pouch with a cable. Cable looks really good actually. Oh, this is the type that I like. There's the anal bead, as people said, and left and right. And I'm going to be doing a video for this probably tomorrow. But this is the Tenhz K5, and it looks like a nice set. I'll go ahead and do a video later on for this. And I'm out. Okay, this is the Tenhz T5. This has 5 BAs. This is not a review, but this is, if you see the zoom in and out, this is the Note 4 being used because the other 2 cameras are dead. Not dead, just battery dead. This comes with tips. Genius, I am. 3 silicone, large, medium, small, and then you got foam, small, medium, large. It's a very nice selection. I'm using large foams as I usually do. Gives me the best isolation. First impressions, nothing's jumping out at me. So this is not a review. I'm going to do a full review for this set. I have several reviews that I have to do before I continue to do unboxings, but this came today and I can't control myself, so I opened it up and I'm not being kind of wowed. Sometimes you sit down and you listen and you think, wow, that sounds really good. It happened yesterday with the $15, $30. $30 in Japan, by the way. You guys that showed me links at eBay for $7. It's $30 in Japan for that set. That set made me sit and listen because its price and its performance were just not equaling in my mind. There's a calculation that we all make, like, is this worth it? And obviously this is. I gotta get it customized though. This, I don't know. I haven't had this company make a set that I really was a fan of. I thought the P4 Pros were good until I tried to up the bass, and then I wasn't really able to, so it slowly fell away from being something that I recommended. And I actually like the one that came before that, the metal shelled one. That would probably be something I like more because at least I could up the bass on that one. I believe it had a dynamic. I think that's a hybrid. And this is a 5 BA set, and it's very similar in sound to the P4 Pro, in that the bass song that I use a lot, the Bone Crusher, it's not really doing that with authority on a track that it should do it with authority. So if the bass doesn't do great things on other tracks because it's not supposed to, but on that track, that's a car audio bass track, it should do its best, and for some reason it's not doing it. I can't really say why, but I'll spend more time. It's got nothing to do with burn-in. I don't believe in that at all, but this is just brief impressions. The audio quality of the vlog thing, let me put this in here. If I set this and then I just don't touch it and I just walk around like a normal person would, I think it would have been fine, but I kept like doing like this, trying to when you do this with this, it's like someone punching the side of this device. It's incredibly, essentially microphonic every time you touch it. So if you continue with the video, the audio is perhaps the worst on the net by anybody that's got a channel with this many subs. I don't think anybody gets to this point and would ever upload what I'm about to, but get the concept. Life in Japan with me shutting the fuck up or just not touching the camera while I walk around and look at stuff. Whatever I look at, the camera should look at, so I don't need to sit there and do what the fuck I was doing today, which just watching the video makes me angry, uncomfortable, annoyed. So turn your volume down, please, before you even venture into that fucking disaster. But it's a proof of concept, and it's going to be, of course, audio is everything. I'm a music lover, this is a music channel, but at the end of those things, it would be a waste of my time in Japan if I didn't highlight some of the things that you won't see on other people's channel. Real life bad dudes, because I see them and I'll walk right up and talk to them. Audio shops, life, food in Japan. Might as well add it to the end of videos. So, without touching the fucking camera is what I'm going to do. And then I should be fine. So I'm out of here. And the next video will, I believe, be a full review of the IT0S. Okay? And I'm out.
Time for you guys to move on from the Zeos. I can get you all the stuff. I can get it for you right now. It's not a problem, man. You guys want this stuff? No, look at that. I can buy that right now. Right now, I could buy that. Zeos can't do that. He's a nice guy, though. I guess. But look, she's in a school uniform. Come on, I get it right now. Time to let go of Zeos. He was good. He's a nice guy. He likes cats. This is about business. Gotta move on. I live in Japan. I can get you this stuff right now, like right now. And then you can keep in touch with Zeos by private message or something. You don't gotta cut him off completely. Let me take a look at the stuff.